Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today is pretty much a special video. Why? We've received the Tangem Ring. Now, I've got a few bits to say in this video because there's a few things I need to mention. First and foremost, not only do I have the Tangem Ring, but I've actually got the Tangem Stealth wallets as well, which I'm going to be trying to use with the ring and set it up that way, just to show you all, if you did purchase the Tangem Ring and Stealth cards, you can put it together. If you haven't already got one, do use my discount code. You get 10% off your whole order. Excellent. It's JBinZala and it's in the description and it's obviously on the screen as well. As you can see, the package is already torn open. The reason is somebody else at my business address thought it's their package and they were too excited and they just opened it up. Well, we're just not going to be tearing it up. That's the only difference in this. However, as you can see, this is a package that was delivered in. I am going to take the Tangem Ring out, and just to show you here, they did pad it well this time, so that's really good. Let's throw that away. So the Tangem Ring, I've been waiting a while for this. As you can see here, I've already got the prototype. I've already got a video on this. I've showed you how to do transactions and stuff already, but let's go ahead with this unboxing and see what's actually in the package. I'm going to take this little cling film off so there's no reflections. So let's get the knife out. Okay, let's do a cut there, and that should be enough. As you all know, I'm very stayed quiet there just for some ASMR, but basically I don't like to have damaged boxes. The thing is, this box came a bit damaged like this. I cannot verify if this was because of the person that opened it, therefore I have no comment. I am not happy about that anyway, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, one ring, two cards. Let's look at the box itself and everything that's on the sides. Tangem ring size 11. So what's interesting, right, is I looked at the guide. There's a guide on Tangem's website and stuff that you can use to set the ring up and order a ring and for your size, etc. As you can see, this one's really big for me. I checked that size 11, maybe a bit smaller. I may have been 12, so I'm gonna try to wear it on one of my thumbs, right? But I've been watching some other people's unboxings and stuff as well, and they ordered size 10 and it looks huge. I'm confused. I really do hope it fits. But yeah, I definitely followed the guide on their website. But let's look here. I found this interesting as well. I've got a few other Tangem products here. I just want to show you a bit of a difference right here. I've read that it says designed in Switzerland, assembled in China. That's interesting, right? And let me just show you the stealth card, for example. This says assembled in Indonesia. Hopefully you can see that there. And I have another black card 2 version. This one says country of origin. It doesn't say where it's been designed, unless I'm blind. No, I'm not. It doesn't say where it's been designed. Assembled. So that's a bit interesting. Their packaging has changed since April, and then this was August 2024, and then this is obviously September 2024, right? Anyways, let's go through what it says here. You get the manual. It's obviously optimal for many temperatures. The brand is Tangem. Materials plastic for the cards, as we already know, and the ring itself is zirconia ceramic, which means it's water resistant, and yeah, it should be durable. Wireless standards NFC, ring size 11, just says the cards there as well. Service life 25 years. Obviously, I'm going to be going through everything and all the features of this when I do all the close-ups and show you it in some beautiful ways. And let's open it for the first look, right? If it wants to open. That's a very snug fit. Tangem ring. Ooh. Okay. I don't know why, but my eyes went directly onto this material here rather than the ring itself. Okay. This looks like it's a bit rough, but it's not. It's very smooth. There's a bit of a material there which is holding the ring in place. Let's get it out. Interesting. This is still too big for me. Okay, I don't know why that is. That's very interesting. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna have to give this to somebody, lol, and order another one which is smaller size. That's very, very weird because I ordered a size which was much smaller than my finger. Because if you look at my finger here, right, my bone here is much bigger than here. So this section here said that it was around a size 12. So I ordered a size 11 because I was thinking of pushing it in and then it'll stay here nice snugly. But it looks like this is too big. That's very upsetting, actually. I'm gonna have to try and figure out why that is. But let's do a quick comparison between both of the rings, shall we? This is the prototype, and this is the official ring that they've released. Can you see it's much thicker? That's the first thing I've noticed. Very, very, it's very thick. The width of it, I mean. Thickness itself, yeah, they're pretty similar. The inside, this should, interesting, hold on. Okay, the inside does have a Tangem logo, but this one here, the material is a bit different. This one says Tangem, so hopefully you can see there, it says Tangem, whereas this one just has a little logo there. Hopefully you can see that. It's very shiny inside, the material is a bit different. Hopefully you can see that there. If not, you'll see it in the close-ups anyway. But yeah, that's very interesting. Okay, that's pretty much the difference. Everything else should be the same. But yeah, let's see what cards have come with this. The Tangem standard black cards and the obviously startup guides and stuff. So these are the standard black cards that we have. I'm not going to be using these with this ring. I'm going to be using the stealth cards. So let's get to setting it up. Sorry, before we do get setting it up, I was just doing this just to see if there's any difference. It looks like it's the same size as the prototype ring. That's a bit odd. I understand why it's come like that. I am disappointed, if I'll be honest. But I'm going to obviously check the guide again and trying to figure out why it's bigger than I'm expecting, right? At least there's a visual difference, so I know the difference between both of these. But yeah, it is as I said, it is a bit upsetting that that's the case. You may think like, oh, hold on, I've got other fingers. Why am I not wearing it in these? First and foremost, well, it doesn't even fit. But that's not the main reason. The main reason is because I don't know if you already know or not. I am a Muslim, and in Islam, it's prohibited to wear on these two fingers. That's why, as you can see, I love jewelry anyway, but I wear like silver and stuff on my other fingers, and this is why I got the ring for my thumb, and that, yeah, it doesn't fit anything anyways, and even if it did, I wouldn't wear it on these. Doesn't let me actually see if it fits in. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. And the thing is, right, I'm thinking a bit about if I left it, because I actually have another ring which I wear. I'm just thinking if I put that there, yeah, that looks awful. Yeah, that doesn't fit. That doesn't look nice. And I already have another platinum ring for that. Anyways, yeah, let's get on with setting it up. Okay, so to do this setup, what you would need is obviously a Tangem ring that you just purchased and the two cards that you normally have. However, I've obviously got the stealth cards. These are limited edition. They may not even be available anymore. But yeah, do check on their website. Obviously, I've got the link below. Use my discount code, etc. Get yourself a bargain, lol. But just so you're aware, at this time period, they do have a Bitcoin limited edition one out. So yeah, feel free to have a look at that. But anyway, I'm going to be using the stealth cards with this just to see if it works and just to demonstrate to you all as well. So this is a Tangem app, as you can see already. What you would need to do if you already own a Tangem, or if you don't own one, you just open the app and it says scan card, right? But if you already have the Tangem cards, all you do is click on the three dots there. You do add new wallet, okay, then saying ready to scan, and then we will be, I'll just show you, I'll tap the NFC part on the top. So it's scanned that there. So let's see what it says. Generate keys privately. So I'm going to be creating the keys on the card itself. There's other options where you can use and generate a seed phrase and import a wallet. You can do the BIP39 standard. If you don't know what BIP39 is, I have a video on that, so do feel free to watch that. Then you do create wallet, and that will create the private key within this Tangem ring. So let's put that there, and that is what that will be doing. Okay, it's generated the private key. It says Tangem Ring. No backup devices. So now we're going to be adding the stealth cards. Let's see if this works. It did. So it's added that, it's registered that. And then add a card or ring. So you can actually buy 3 rings and connect all 3 together. So obviously I don't have 3 rings, and I'm not going to test 2 because that one's already set up. So that's the 3rd stealth wallet. 2 backup devices added. You can do 3 in total. Finalize the backup, create an access code, right? So I'm going to do that without anybody obviously being able to see what that is. Okay, once you create it, you just click create, and then now you have to scan the rings to do the whole backup process. So the primary ring, let's scan it, and that should take 15 seconds, as you can see there. So I just do want to mention I have a unboxing video regarding the stealth cards. If you did want to see what that is and what the benefits of that is, I've got all of that there. That 15 seconds, it looks pretty smooth to me, which is good. The prototype, I had a bit of issues with that initially, but then it was all good. I think the NFC part that I was putting on was wrong, but it looks like it's working perfectly now. That's interesting. Incomplete process to... Okay. Error. Incomplete process to finalize the operation. Kindly tap the card again. Let's leave it on the actual desk and do it, because basically, there we go. It's happening. So I just want you to know, if you do wear the ring, it doesn't allow the NFC to work. It's just some technology that they have there. An error occurred during the operation code 90014. That's very interesting. 13, 12, 11, 10. Let's see what happens here. Normally the Tangem products are very, very quick to register. As you can see, I'm not moving my hand on things. That's just a bit odd that that's happened. Okay, done. 3rd attempt. Okay, that's a bit odd. Backup card. It's giving a number there, but these stealth cards don't have any numbers to even know which one it is. So you need to know which order you did it in. Another 15 seconds there. It should roughly take a couple of minutes just to do all of this. Red to scan the 3rd one, I believe now. Yep, scan card. And this is basically copying the private key to all cards. It's just making sure that everything there is correct. Error. That's very weird. By the way, I've never set up these Tangem stealth cards either. I literally purchased them to do a giveaway. So I do have a giveaway regarding the stealth cards. I purchased 2. So one of them I'm giving away, and one I purchased to basically do this video. Okay, done. So if you did want to... Okay, so now it's saying add tokens. Obviously, I'm just going to... Let's do later. Let's see what it says there. Success. Continue to my wallet. Okay, wallet. And it's showing the 2 Tangem cards rather than the stealth cards. So it doesn't show that there. So yeah, that's that set up. The Ethereum and Bitcoin addresses are there. So just so you know, if you did want to join my giveaway for these Tangem stealth cards, it's a 3-pack that I have. So it's 2 stealth cards and then a black Tangem. wallet, you can join that. The giveaway is not beginning right now. It's going to begin soon. Do subscribe to my channel because you'll get notified as soon as that video has been released. In addition, all you have to basically do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and then react to the giveaway on my Discord and click on the participate, and then the bot will decide whoever wins after the time period is up for however long the giveaway is for. But yeah, I'm just going to set these all up just to show you what the products here are. You obviously just get one Tangem ring and then two Tangem normal cards, okay? But I'm just putting this here, and I will go through all of the features of this card just so you're aware and give you some very nice close-ups which hopefully you enjoy. So the Tangem Ring, it has full functionality like all the other cards do. In addition, it's very secure. It's got EAL6 certified chips in it, which is what the security element is and what protects your private key. Obviously, it's a sleek and stylish design. It's much thicker than the prototype, as we saw there. It's obviously portable. You can keep it with you at all times. It's IP68 and it's durable and light. As I said, the material is zirconia ceramic. It's NFC capable, so this wallet is only NFC usable. You use it through NFC as you saw there, and hopefully, obviously for you, it works first time. The backup, as you can see, you can only back up 2 cards. One of the main points of this is the fact that Tangem gives a 25-year warranty. That's how confident they are on their products and the fact that they believe that the products will last at least 25 years. This company has also been audited by 2 external companies. So they've checked the firmware just to make sure that there are no vulnerabilities and stuff like this. Hopefully you enjoyed this video of me unboxing and setting up this Tangem ring with the 2 stealth cards. So if you were doing that configuration, you can do that. If you're interested in more content like this, please do subscribe to my channel. It helps. Do click on the like button. That helps with the algorithm as well. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. So lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.